Hi guys, so I've just bought this minipresso NS edition, which should hopefully take the Nespresso capsules, and I'm going to unbox it, have a look and try it out. So first things first, straight out of the box, got this nice little carry case. And here we go. As you can see, all the buttons. One end is for the water, and one end is obviously for the capsule. So let's have a look. That's for our coffee. Unscrews, that's going to be our water, I'm guessing. Another one unscrews. So our capsule should go in here, which it does. I'm going to boil the kettle. So we have some hot water. I'm going to put back on, screw in nice and tight. I'm going to twist and it unlocks. Water into our pot. Let's just fill it up, and that should screw in. He says, so far so good. So we've got water in here. There's our little plunger. So you come through the pod and it should come out the little nozzle at the end. And just so that we can see what's going on, I've got my espresso cup, and we'll see what happens. And that is it. There's no more water left in there. So I guess we push it in, twist, so it's back in the locked position, and it's down. No drips. We'll just check. Water's all used. A few little bits in the bottom. And that isn't half bad, I don't think. There you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Any comments or any questions, just drop them below and I'll try and get back to you. And of course, like the video. Cheers!